Hello. As you all know, grammar is the key to making proper sentences. Accurate use of grammar helps you score a very high band score in the writing and speaking sections in the IELTS. And today, we're going to look at articles and more precisely where not to use articles. Articles are words that define a noun as specific or unspecific. There are three articles, a and the. For example, in this example, the article the is used for one specific day that was long and one specific cup of tea that made Rahul better. In the second example, by using the article a, we've made a general statement. We have not mentioned any specific day or any specific cup of tea. In English, we have two types of articles, definite and indefinite. Along with learning the usage of articles, we'll talk about zero articles now. The zero article is a situation in which we don't use any article. The is a definite article because it normally points out a particular person or thing. Let us take an example. In this sentence, the definite article refers to one particular teacher. The definite article can be used with singular, plural, or uncountable noun. But let us learn today where not to use the article the. We don't use an article when we talk about things in general. For example, I love reading books. Here, we're not talking about any specific book. We're referring to books in general. Do not take an article before it. The names of countries do not take articles. But any country that has the word republic, united, federation, sultanate, etc. take the. For example, the Republic of Korea. Groups of islands also take the. For instance, the Caribbean islands. We don't use article before nationalities, but there are exceptions. If the nationality is the same as the word as the language, we use the. For example, the French speak French. Sports do not take an article. For example, you would say, I play cricket. You would not say, I play the cricket. Academic subjects do not need an article. For example, you say, I'm studying philosophy in college. You do not say, I am studying the philosophy in college. Geographic features do not need articles. For example, you would say, I trekked on Mount Fuji. You would not say, I trekked on the Mount Fuji. We don't need to use an article with a proper noun. For instance, her name is Mari. You don't say her name is the Mari. You would say, I belong to Delhi. You don't say, I belong to the Delhi. Now that you're familiar with how to use articles and where not to use them, continue practicing and perfecting yourself. If you have any questions, write a comment below.